started the recording. So what is the usage of the if condition means? So that is, I have one condition here. That is, if actually what 10 is greater than actually what 15, or 10 is greater than 8. If I have some conditions, based on that actually what I need to execute that specific statements. Otherwise, I should not execute those statements over there. Okay. So how to work on those things? That is what we are going to see. So I will create actually one class, right click, go to new, a class, if condition, I'll just give. Then I'll have a main function, finish. So I created one class called if condition. So now I'm going to execute. So for example, normally CISO program starts and right. Give a minute, it's loading. Then I'll have program ends. Good day. Okay. So now when I execute this program, so right click, run as Java application. So now it will print me program starts, good day, program ends. So now here I will have a condition. So if here, if conditions will be written in this way, that's it. Okay. Here I will have actually what one condition. So that is if 10 is greater than 15, that means you execute me this CISO good day. Here I will give else CISO normal day. So now let me execute it. Right click, run as Java application. Now if you see, program starts. Then after that, if condition is there, 10 is greater than 15. No, 10 is not greater than 15. So that time it will not execute me this if condition. Whenever if condition is not executing, what will happen? Else condition will be executed by default. So now it prints normal day and then program ends. In case if I give it over there like 20 is greater than 15. So now actually what? If condition did not execute it, else executed. So I will also mention like this. Else executed. Here I'll mention if executed. So now when I execute it, now can you see if executed, so program starts 20 is greater than 15. Yes, 20 is greater than 15. So it will give me if executed good day. Then else condition will not execute. Any one if condition executes, else will not execute. Else executed means if will not. So always first priority for the if condition. If it is not executing, then only else condition. Otherwise, actually what if condition executes comes out of it, then program ends. I can have multiple else if conditions also here. See, else if. Here I will mention. So if 30 is less than 20, CISO else if best day. See now. Right click, run as Java application. Now can you see still 20 is greater than 15 only is executed. Okay, if condition executes, the remaining else conditions or else if conditions will not be executed. I can have multiple else if also. See, else if, here I'll mention actually what? 40 is less than 45. No. Else if bad day. Someday. I'm just giving these things for understanding. Then finally we will change it in a proper way also. Now, right click, run as Java application. Program starts if executed. After that, the remaining else if else are not executed. In case if it is actually what 10 is greater than 15. Now what will happen? First if condition, this will be executed. Now what will happen? Will this executes over there? No, 10 is not greater than 15. Comes to the else if. 30 is less than 20. No, 30 is not less than 20. Comes over here. 40 is less than 45. Yes, 40 is less than 45. Now else if bad day, and finally program ends will be executed. See, same thing in case if this one is 10. Now what will happen? Program starts else if this day, then after that program ends. Clear it? Everyone understood the basics of actually what is the usage of if else condition? Anyone has any questions on this? Anyone has any questions on this if else if conditions? Cool. Everyone, can I get a reply? Everyone understood it, guys? Just give me a yes if you understood this. Cool. That's great. Okay, guys. So now I will take a program. So I want you guys to execute me this as usual. We'll see. Okay. So let me go here. So we can have an if condition inside, okay, and another if condition. Okay, we can have a if condition inside and another if condition. This is called as nested if. Okay, if condition, when we have it inside and another if condition, that is called as a nested if. Okay, so here how this executes. So when we want to do a comparison, we have to use double equal to. Single equal to means assigning a value to a variable. Double equal to means actually what? It is comparing. Okay, so then another thing actually what? We have or and combination. So or will be represented with this pipe symbol. Okay, or will be represented with this pipe symbol over here. Okay, so how to have or? See, a pipe symbol will be there, right? So if you put two things, that's a or condition here. So or means any one condition is success, this can be executed. Okay, any one condition is true, this will be executed. Same thing if I give and means double ampersand we have to give. That means if both the conditions are true, then only this will be executed for me. Clear? If I same thing if I give over there as exclamatory mark and then equal to means not equal to. Okay, so this I will give ampersand. Here can you see actually what this is? Not equal to, C is not equal to 70. So my C value is what? 130. If it is not equal to 70, this will be executed. Okay, but the thing is again ampersand when we have, but here if this C also should be less than 70, then only if both the conditions are true, then only this will be executed. Okay, that's it. So what are things right now we have seen extra means or condition means we have to use pipe symbol, and means we have to use ampersand. Not equal to means we have to use exclamatory mark equal to. Comparison if I want to do double equal to. That's it. These are the four things right now we have seen. Understood, right? Everyone is clear on this part? These four parts, everyone is clear, right? Cool. So now let me come here. So now I want someone to execute this program. So if I execute this program, so what is the output for it? So can anyone like to try? I'll ask. Hey, hi Shweta. Hi Shweta, can you explain me this program? Can you give it a try?
Sure. Yeah. So if what's that? If C is greater than sum of what of sum is A plus B.
So first,
Okay.
actually, how many variables we have here?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
So if C
Yes.
is greater than sum, is if 130 is greater than 50,
Okay.
then print C is greater than sum, whatever that is.
So
But
now,
130 is not greater than 50.
correct. 130 is not greater than actually what? Sum. So
50.
sum value is what?
Yeah.
10 plus 40 is 50. So will this
Yeah.
if condition will be executed?
No.
No.
So it
Then
goes
what
to
will
the
happen?
next one.
Else.
Else if,
Now,
yeah, C is greater than sum, which is correct.
yes. Now, what will be printed?
C is less
C is lesser than?
than 130. Yeah. No, even that is not correct because C is 130 and sum is just 50.
Correct. So 130, oh sorry, 130 is less than sum? No, it is not less than. Yes,
Correct.
correct. Superb.
So even that will get executed. So it will go to the next one. And even that else statement is incorrect.
Okay. So else condition, what will happen right
Yeah.
now? If condition did not execute, else if condition did not execute. Here, do we
Execute.
have any condition else?
No condition. There's no condition. So it should just print sum is equal to C.
Yes, correct. So sum is
Okay.
equal to C. That's what it will do. Clear, right? Same thing. Next, after that, once this else condition is executed, now will
Oh, does it keep executing again? I
correct.
thought once thing gets executed, the system stops, right?
No. Once this if condition is executed, the program still continues because main is still, we have some lines of code, right? So still it will become executing.
Oh, okay. I thought once something is printed, it doesn't go further. Once a condition is met, it doesn't go further. That's what I
Yeah.
thought.
Okay. Next. Hello world.
Okay. And then if C is, it's comparing if C is equal to 60, again, that also doesn't qualify for that.
Correct. Okay.
So the next one. And the next if statement is if B is equal to 30.
So
I
my
don't know
B
the
then
B
is
value. So even that is not,
okay.
that's not a match.
Yeah.
And then it goes to the last one, print nothing. So that's the last statement.
So if condition, if you see, if you have only one line of statement, so we will not be we don't want to mandatorily put actually what an open and close flower brace. Okay, for that
No,
only.
actually, I didn't. Do we still execute the whole thing?
Yes, we will execute it over there because this is for this statement alone. The if else conditions will be there. After that, still we will be continuing it over there.
You continue with the next one. Okay, got it. Thanks.
Correct. Okay, so let me execute. We'll see whether whatever you said is correct or not. Okay, so right click, run as. Give me a minute. Let me execute this. So it's giving actually what a different output. So what does that means? So first if condition. So can you execute again? Now can you execute again? Line number 10.
Yeah. If C is greater than sum,
So what
that
is my
was
C?
correct. Uh,
That
C
is
was 30. Yeah. And your sum was 50. So that is 130 is greater than 50. So
so
it should be printing.
Correct.
Yeah.
So it should print.
So then, yeah.
No, execute. That's okay. Now, yeah is not an answer. Okay, I want you to execute it over there.
Okay, so if that's, I mean, then it should print whatever is in line number 11.
Correct. Print it.
And then that's
No,
it. Here
you're not
there's
executed.
F.
You're not going. You're going to the next step. Execute it.
Okay, if C is greater than sum, then print whatever is in line number
Yes.
7.
Print it.
Oh,
Tell me whatever is there. What is that? Tell me whatever is there. Right. What is that?
Sum.
Sorry.
C is greater than sum, right?
So what is the C?
I'm sorry. C is 130.
Correct. Then
130 is greater than sum, and then sum is 50.
correct.
So it's
Okay.
130 is greater than 50.
Yes,
Okay.
correct. 130 is greater than 50. Then
If C is equal to 70, but C is not equal to 70, that means 130 is not equal to 70.
super.
So it skips that.
This will not be executed. Then
And that then it goes to line number 15, which is else if
yes.
C is not equal to 70 and C is less than 70. Well,
So what is
only
C?
the first
You're talking it as C, C, C. What is the value C? Talk it in
130 I'm
there. Value.
not equal to 70.
Super. Okay.
And 130, oh, it's not less than 70.
So 130 is
I
less
mean,
than 70?
130 is less than 70? No.
No. So this also will not be executed. Correct?
Okay.
Super. So
Yes.
this if condition is executed, will this else if will be executed now?
I don't think so, because the first one we did execute, right?
Correct. Once an if condition is executed, the remaining else if and else conditions will not be executed. In case if this if condition did not execute, then only the else conditions will be executed. Else if. Okay. A good one. A good. Thanks, Shweta. Good one. Now I'll do a small change over here. So now I want someone. So, hi Spandana, can you execute this now?
Yeah, yes, sir. From where this else if C? From there or from?
Sorry?
From here, now we have changes have made, no? So
Yes.
from there.
Again, I want you to execute the entire program. So we'll see what is the output is going to come for this.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, first if clause, that is C is greater than sum. C means 130 greater than 50.
Super.
Yes, 130 is greater than 50. So it will print as C is greater than 50. Like 130 is greater than 50.
Correct.
Then C is comparing with 70. 130 is not equals to 70. So
No, 130.
it will not 130.
130 equal to 70. Will this execute?
No, it will not execute.
Super.
It's not equal. Then C is not equals to 70. It is correct. And then it's like we have OR condition here.
Yes.
So 130 is less than 70. Correct. This is false. So here if we have the OR condition, any one of it is true means it will execute.
So this will be printed?
Yeah, it will print the.
So what will be printed?
130 is not equals to 50.
Super, correct. Yes. Then will this now it comes out of this if condition. Now will this else if and else condition will be executed?
No. Once the if condition is executed, it will not execute the else condition.
Super, correct. Then
hello world it will print.
Super.
Then 130 is now it will not print.
Correct.
Then again B is 40, I think so.
Yes.
40 is not equals to 30. Yes, it will also not print.
Super.
Then nothing. It will print at the end.
Yes, correct. Awesome. So expected output is this.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks, Vandana. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so now can everyone ping me as yes if you have understood this if else if conditions? Is everyone clear on this part? I just want to respond from everyone. Everyone is clear, right? Good. Awesome, guys. So now, okay, I just will give you a program. So I want the output of this. So I want the output. So actually what I'll just give you a 3 minutes of time. So 7:58 till 8:01. Okay. So we'll see how many members can give the output of this. Okay. Till 8:01. So we'll see how many of them. So ping me privately as what will be the output for this. Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys, good. So we'll see what is the output for this. So I value is 5. So 5 is greater than 10. No. So it will print I is greater than 10. No, it will not execute this if condition. Now, else if I is less than 10. 5 is less than 10. Yes, 5 is less than 10. And I is equal to minus 1. No, 5 is not equal to minus 1. Then else if I is less than 10. Yes, I is less than 10. Or I is equal to 0. No, I is not equal to 0, but it's an or condition. So I is equal to 0 or lesser than 10. Will this be executed? Yes, because 5 is less than 10. Okay, it's a or condition. Or condition means what will happen right now for me? Any one is success that will be executed for me. Correct? So my output will be I is equal to 0 or lesser than 10. After that, the remaining information should not be executed for me. Understood, please? Everyone clear? Understood? Any questions for anyone on this? Now you guys understood what is the difference between the or and then the and conditions, and then the not equal to, all those things you understood, right? Clear? Super. Good guys. So now this is about our if condition here. Okay. So we'll have a short break right now. Then after that, actually, what we will see about the usage of the loops here. Okay. We will be starting with the loops right now. Give me a minute. Just go to loops. Okay. So we'll have a short break till 8:10. Then we will continue with further loops over here. Okay. Loops is very important information that we need to know. Okay. Hey, yes, Bhargavi, you have a question? Yes, Bhargavi, tell me.
Murali, this mails that you are sending, I couldn't find the assignments, Murali.
So,
like yesterday you have sent a mail in that I couldn't find any assignment to do a hands-on on those.
Oh, sorry. Yesterday I have not forwarded the code files and then the assignment. I hope so. Sorry, it's my mistake. Yesterday's thing, it's my mistake. I will forward that one today to you all.
Yeah, it will be better if you can send assignments on the topic that you are covering, so that hands-on will be covered.
Yeah, I'm sending it over there, right? Yesterday only I did not send over there. Every day you're not getting my code files.
Yes,
you see?
only yesterday.
Only yesterday, right? No. Bhargavi, I'm asking a question.
Yes.
Am I not sending every day, or it's like
Okay.
every day only you have not received? That's what my question. Because hopefully I'm trying to send actually what every day the code.
Yesterday only did not receive correctly.
Cool. Okay. Only for yesterday, right? I will forward that one now. It's my mistake over there. I'll just forward it today. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, Bhargavi. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so we'll have a short break till 8:10. Then after that, actually, what again we will see for the loops over there. So loops are very important. So I just want everyone to be attentive on this so that it's easier for you, because with this only it will be easy for you to understand writing code on the logics of Fibonacci series, prime number, all those stuffs. Okay, good. Okay, guys. So we'll have a short break till 8:10. Then we'll continue. Okay, thank you. Hello. Hey, hi guys. So we'll start the session. So let me. So now we are going to start about the loops. So today we will see the basics of loops, and then tomorrow we will go with the logics and all those things. Okay. Loops basic. So now, what does a loop means? So for example, I have some set of statements which need to be executed for multiple times. So that time we can use loops over there. Okay, whenever I have some set of statements that need to be executed for multiple times, I can use a loop. The first loop which came into the industry is actually what? While loop. Okay, so right now, integer I is equal to 1, I will have. So first, I need to print actually what? System.out.println hello. This hello for totally 5 times. So how I can do that means, okay, here I can have a condition like this. My I value is right now 1, right? So till it reaches, okay, 5. If my I value is less than or equal to 5, till that you print it. But the problem is right now actually what? If I give like this, always my I value is actually what? 1 only. I need to increment that. So for that I can just give I plus plus. I plus plus means what? It will increment the I value by 1. So first time when it comes inside, my I value will be 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5? Yes. Prints hello. Then I plus plus, what will happen? It will increment the I value by plus 1. So that will be 2. 2 is less than or equal to 5? Yes. Prints me hello. Then again I plus plus. Now I value will be actually what? 3. 3 is less than 5? Equal to 5? Yes. Prints hello. Plus 1, it will be I value will be 4. 4 is less than or equal to 5? Yes, comes inside. Then I value will be 5. Then 5 is less than or equal to 5? Yes, prints me hello. Now I value will be incremented by 1, that will be 6. Now after that, when it comes to 6, now it comes out of the loop. Because 6 is less than equal to 5? No, it is not less than equal to 5. It comes out of it. Yes, 5 times hello will be printed. See? So to make sure what we are printing, if you see slowly, we can see how many times actually what, how I value is also incremented. See, first time I value will be 1. After the increment, 1 by 1 will be incremented. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In case if I forget to give this I plus plus, now what will happen? This becomes as a infinite loop. See, that will be continuously printing the same thing. See, it will become as an infinite loop over here. Okay, that's what here. Same like that while loop, we have another loop called do while. So do while means so simple. So first thing is actually what? I will not check for any condition. First mandatorily I will execute it. So I will just print do loop. Then here I will print j. First I will not check for any condition. After the first time execution, then only I will check for the condition here. That's what I will be doing here. Clear? So now see what happens. So j value is 1. So it goes to the do loop without checking anything. Prints do loop here. Then prints me 1. Now while j is less than or equal to 5, 1 is less than or equal to 5. Yes. Then comes here. Now what will happen? Again it comes to actually what? 1 only. So do loop 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5? Yes. Like that it becomes as a infinite loop. So for this also, what we need to do means we need to increment it. So here I will just give j plus plus. So that increment will happen. See, now when I run the program, same thing, do loop also 1 to 5. But what is the difference between the while and do while loop means? Simple. In case if I have 10 in both the place, so First while loop checks for the condition. 10 is less than or equal to 5. No, 10 is not less than or equal to 5. While loop will not be executed. Same thing, j value is 10. Do while loop. So do loop 10 will be printed. Then j value will be 11. 11 is less than or equal to 5? No, comes out of the loop. So do loop, even if it is not correct, it will be executed once for sure. Okay. So how we will be utilizing these things in our Selenium means? Okay. So simple. I have some set of checkboxes available in my place. Okay. So right now, if the checkbox is available, then based on this, actually what I will go and click on the checkbox one by one. I will be verifying whether actually what any checkbox is not checked. I will verify. Then after that, click on the checkbox here. That is one thing. The another operation is what means, that is do while loop. Do while loop means, that is first always verify whether the code is available or not. Then after that only do the action. So here I will be, this is my situation. So for example, there is some set of statements, and then inside there is actually what, an if else condition. If condition is actually what, having an information that we have a checkbox there or not. If the checkbox is available, then only it will click on it. Otherwise, actually what, it goes to the place and then click on the link and then do some actions over there. Like that will be. So if condition confirms me whether I'm having my information there or not. So then the next time the loop will be incremented in case if the checkbox is available. Otherwise, it continues like one by one. That's what here it will do. So till the checkboxes are available, it will run and then it will do the action. Okay, that's the difference between while and then do while. The next loop which came in, okay, everyone understood on the while and do while loop, guys? Can everyone print me as yes if you understood? So I just don't, and also please let me know in case if I'm going faster so that I will cut down, because it's this little bit basics over there. So that's why I'm just going little bit fast, but not a full fast. In case if you feel it difficult, please stop me at any point of time so that I will again come back. Okay, when we come to logics, I will be slower, don't worry. This is the basics way, so that's why I'm just going little bit slower, don't worry. Cool that. So next we'll go for the for loop. So what is the for loop? It's a traditional loop. So first actually what while loop, do while loop came into the industry, but there is a problem here actually, what that is, in case if I'm not getting the increment or decrement, it becomes as a infinite loop. So what these programmers they identified means, there are some 3 steps that is mandatory that actually what always we need for execution of a loop. So what are the 3 things? One is actually what, an initialization of a value. The second one is actually what, the condition. Third one is the increment or decrement. So these 3 steps actually what, for any loops it is mandatory. So they observed that, and based on that actually what they formed a traditional loop, that is the for loop. So how for loop will work is so simple. For integer I is equal to 1. Then here I is less than or equal to 5, the condition. Then here the increment. That's it. Clear? They add like this. So I will do one thing here. Already I we have. I will change to some other variable here. That's it here. Clear? For integer a is equal to 1, a is less than or equal to 5, a plus plus. Then here I will have the same information. For loop plus e. Understood? So this one as of now will print, and then I'll have a small dashes over here so that we'll come to know for loop separately. So first one is initialization. So here we are doing declaration initialization. I can also do it actually what, separately an initialization also. That is also possible. Otherwise, usually we'll go for declaration initialization here itself, so that this variable will be a local variable for this for loop alone. Then the condition A is less than or equal to 5. Initially it is 1, right? So it goes here, then it increments for the second instance only. So first time the initialization and then the condition it checks and prints it. Second time it will increment and then check the condition. Like that, third, fourth, like that, it goes for it. See, right click, run as Java application. See, for loop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first time it prints. From the second instance onwards, it will increment to 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. That's what it will. Clear? Any questions for anyone on this loops? Everyone is clear on this part? Clear, guys? Can everyone ping me in the chat windows? Yes, if you have understood this for loop also. Understood, right? Cool, that's great. Okay, so with this, I'll stop for today. So this is the basics of it. So tomorrow we will be seeing actually what about the important topics, actually what? How to use the loops. That is going for the logics. How to use the loops, logics and all those things. So printing the pyramid numbers like these, how to do it. So it's like, for example, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Like these things are done, how to fetch the logics. After seeing these basics, then we will again jump to Fibonacci's prime number, all those things. I want to make sure actually what? Sure, I'll explain. So I want to make sure everyone to be present for the next, for say, I will say actually 6 to 7 days. Okay, minimum for 6 days for sure, mandatorily, please be present in the class. Otherwise, make sure you just go through the sessions and then you have to practice it for sure. Because why means the logics is what we are going to see for the next 5 to 6 days, which will be really helpful for you on clearing the interview, or you're going to work on your real-time application. Everything it will be helpful here. That's it. Okay. So do while loop, so simple. That is here. First, actually, while loop means what? It checks for a condition, then only it will execute if it is true. Do while loop, always the first instance will be executed. Then after that only actually what? The condition will be checked for the second instance. Okay. So int j equal to 10. First what will happen? Do loop. Do loop 10. Then j plus plus, that will be 11. J will be incremented to 11. Then here the condition will be 11 is less than or equal to 5. No comes out of the loop. Okay. While loop checks the condition at the beginning. Do while checks the condition at the later. That's the difference. Okay. Cool, guys. Sure. So tomorrow we'll meet by same time, 7:30. Okay. Thank you. Bye, guys.